task in Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder, which will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11